Hello, guys. Good afternoon to you, all my viewers. And thank you for passing by my channel today once again. Today, I am taking you guys on a cooking journey. What are we making today? Okra soup and obolo soup mix. Those that knows it, knows it. All right. I say hi to all my subscribers, all my viewers. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. And I'm going to always work hard to make you guys happy. All right, to make this soup, this okra soup and obolo in mix, this is what you need for it. Okay, let me introduce my recipes one by one. Here is my chicken and fresh fish, and this is my red oil, palm oil for the soup, and this is my stock fish and my bonga fish, and this is my okra for this as recipe. And here you get crayfish, the small tiny crayfish, salt, seasoning, my diced onions, and my pepper, fresh pepper precisely. And here you get my pomo, is well diced and washed too. And this is the obono that I'm talking about. And here I have bitter leaf, dry bitter leaf, and fresh scent leaf. Yeah, the scent leaf, the pepper soup scent leaf. I just want to try something different. I just need the flavor, on this meal. And here I have my dry fish. This dry fish, very lovely, nice. And that's all for today. Okay, guys, I'm going to go straight to the cooking part. Yeah, the cooking part. You guys should stay tuned and see me do this. All right, guys, see ya.
Man them mad. Yo, girl, you know I'm at you. Be like more that she wrote. Say my baby gold digger, gold digger, gold digger. She a gold digger, gold digger, gold.
Put my onions, salt, and my seasoning. Then pepper. Yeah. Let's do this one. Wow. So good. Put water again. Okay. Now, then water again. Okay. You cannot close the pot, like close it. Okay. At this moment, my pepper have to go in. Fish have to go in. Yeah. The leaf, the bitter leaf and the scent leaf. So I'm just going to wow. You get to see the aroma of this soup right now. Everything is ready. Okay guys, this is the end of our cooking today. As you can see, our food is ready. And I'm gonna review my host for the day. Stay tuned so you can see who I'm hosting for the day. Bye guys, I love you guys.
Man them mad.